Hi everyone, this is Jesper and you're watching the final part of my sailing journey along the Swedish west coast. I have just left Koster Islands and I'm starting my solo sailing journey back to Gothenburg. My first stop was in Grebbestad, where I found a spot alongside a Norwegian Halberg Rassi 34. It was a beautiful evening as I was looking at the sunset with a view over Grebbestad. The following day was calm with almost no wind. I was motoring down south and took the beautiful passage through Hamburgsund. I also went through the Sote Canal, where it was heavy traffic that day. The next stop was at Bohus Malmön, where I met some sailing friends. The next day the wind had returned. I decided to take advantage of it and sail all the 52 nautical miles from Bohus Malmön to Fiskebäck in Gothenburg non-stop. When arriving in Fiskebäck after 10 hours of non-stop sailing without an autopilot, I was exhausted but also happy to be back. I spent 2 weeks of my vacation on my Albin Cumulus, experiencing the beauty of the Swedish west coast and brought with me wonderful memories to look back at as the sailing season in Sweden comes to an end.